Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make pasta cheese in less than 10 minutes with just 5 ingredients. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload new videos. This recipe is very simple and easy to make, also not time consuming. You can try this out for your children and trust me, they will love it because this is my kids' favorite food. Now let's get to the cooking. You place a pot of water on the fire and wait for it to get boiled. As you can see, my pot of water is already on the fire at the other side. Yes, I'm waiting for it to get hot. This is my pot of water, waiting for it to get hot. So now my water is boiling, as you can see. Now it's time for me to add my pasta to the boiling water. And that's what you see me doing. I add the pasta to the water, mix it together, and then add some salt to taste. I add more salt because after draining the excess water, I'll be pouring cold water on the pasta to avoid it sticking together, and that cold water will run away some of the salt. So that's why you see me putting more salt to it. Yes. Stir it again and then cover it for 5 minutes. Yes. After 5 minutes, I check back on it to see if it is ready. And that's what you see me doing. I take out one to feel the softness. And here I can see it's still hard. So I'm going to give it another 1 minute. And after that 1 minute, I believe it will be okay. I cover it back again and wait for another 1 minute. And here our pasta is ready. As you can see, it has changed in color, and that shows it is cooked, well cooked. Now I'm going to drain out the excess water. I drain out the excess water and run a cold water on it to avoid it sticking together. And here is where the excess salt will be washed away if you added more, and if you didn't, you can always add more later on. Now I place back the same pot I used to cook the pasta back on the fire and pour back the pasta in it. Now I'll be adding the rest of my ingredients to it. We are almost there, and that's it. I add olive oil to it. You can use any type of oil of your choice, sunflower oil, any type of oil of your choice. Mix the two together, and then it's time for me to add my tuna. I open it and add it to the pasta. That's what you see me doing. Add it. After adding it, then I mix everything together. Mix everything together. And then it's time for me to add the grounded cheese, and this is the type I'm using. I add that to it again, and now my pasta is ready. It may not look attractive, but trust me, it tastes great. You can try it out and let me know how it tastes in the comment section below. This is very easy and simple, not time consuming, and also tasty. Now our pasta cheese is ready to be served. That's it. In less than 10 minutes it's ready, and that's what you see me doing, dishing it out. That's it for this video. Remember to click the like button below and also subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.